Here's how to install our OCAM roof rack for the 150 series Landcruiser Prado. Lay out all the hardware and familiarise yourself with the kit. Remove the plastic covers on the factory roof rails. Use a trim removal tool to pop off the covers on all four corners. Then use a pick to push out the covers for the middle sections. Then undo all the 12mm bolts holding in the factory rails. And the 10mm bolts for the middle support bracket. Assemble the roof mounting brackets with the longer bolts with the smaller flat and spring washers. Make sure that the curved part of the bracket is facing outwards and the gasket is sitting underneath. Add some silicone sealant to the roof mounting holes to make it watertight, and then secure the brackets using a 6mm hex head. Next, attach the rail brackets to the rack with the remaining short bolts with both flat and spring washers. There are slots in the brackets in case you need to adjust the width of the mounting points. Grab a mate to help you lift the rack onto the vehicle and secure the brackets to the roof mounts. The rack bracket should sit on the inside of the roof mount, and then the smaller bracket sits on the outside, sandwiching everything together. Loosely secure the rack using the remaining bolts along with flat and spring washers. Align the rack to the center and then tighten the roof brackets first, then the rack mounts. They can be tightened with a 6mm hex head and a 13mm wrench. And there you have it, your OCAM roof rack is installed.